In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn interest with DAI right from within your Exodus wallet. I really hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Exodus are growing their platform to become more than just another crypto wallet, and instead aim to become a portal to access the new decentralized internet. And for those of you using the Exodus wallet, you may be interested to hear that you can earn interest on DAI with the Compound Finance app from right inside your wallet. Compound Finance is a service that lets users borrow cryptocurrency or lend it out and earn interest. Both lenders and borrowers get more value from their crypto. Lenders can earn interest while borrowers deposit crypto to gain access to credit, and this is all done without the headaches or rules of banking. And if you're interested in finding out more about Compound Finance, I've got a full tutorial which I'll pop in the summary below. And Exodus have chosen to partner with Compound Finance as it's one of the premier DeFi apps. Within Exodus, users are only able to lend or deposit DAI into Compound Finance. But with Compound integrating directly into the wallet, it means that you can do everything all in one place and not have to send your funds externally. So within just a few clicks, you can start earning on the DAI stablecoin through Compound. And once you've lent your assets to the Compound Finance protocol, you accrue interest every time an Ethereum block is mined. And because it's decentralized, there's no KYC or ID verification that you need to complete, and you can withdraw from lending your DAI at any time you wish. So to get started with Compound Finance inside your Exodus wallet, you'll obviously need the Exodus wallet. Plus, you'll also need some DAI and some Ethereum in your wallet. And you'll need the Ethereum in your wallet to pay for the gas. Now, if you haven't already enabled the Exodus new layout, you'll need to head across to Settings in the bottom left-hand side of your screen and go across to Apps. And to enable the apps, you'll need to try out Exodus's new layout. And once you have the new layout, you can install the apps. And as you can see, you have Compound Finance. So as it states here, watch your savings grow every second and make money while you sleep. Earn more interest versus the average bank rate, no account setup, no limits, and you can withdraw any time. And then you also have SportX. And if you're interested in finding out more about that, I'll cover that in another video. So I'm going to go ahead and install the Compound Finance app. Then once you've installed, you can click on to open from the screen. Or you can click onto the Exodus icon in the top left-hand side of the screen, which will take you home. And from here, you'll see a few apps appearing at the top of the screen, with more being added soon. So if we go ahead and click onto Compound Finance, and straight away you can see the current APY, and this is variable and will vary depending on the market conditions. So although this is at 0.81% at the moment, this may fluctuate depending on when you watch this video. And this has reached rates as high as 8.08%, which is 90 times that of the US savings account. Now, there are a lot of different DeFi platforms available. However, you can check the rates over on a site like defirate.com, where you can view the best sites to earn interest. So you can see from here that with Compound, the rate is at 0.81%, and there are some other rates that are slightly better, but they may not necessarily have the convenience of being right inside your wallet like Compound and Exodus. And I've contacted Exodus in relation to whether they're considering adding additional tokens. And they've stated that currently they don't have any plans to add other Compound assets to Exodus. But it's possible that if the integration is a success, they may decide to include more tokens. And they said that they'll keep me updated, but the worry is that with the current rate of 0.81%, it's unlikely to be that popular, and therefore unlikely new coins will be added. So it's kind of a catch-22. But going back to Exodus so that I can show you the rest of the process. From here, you can also calculate your DAI profit too. So you can state the amount of DAI that you're thinking of depositing and how long you plan to keep it in there for, and that's in months. And then all the calculation results will appear on the right-hand side of the screen here. Now, if you want to go ahead and deposit, you can click on to deposit now. And if you don't already have some DAI, it's pretty handy here because you can simply swap your coins for DAI without ever having to leave Exodus and send your tokens back and forth. So if I click on to exchange DAI, and then you'll be taken to the Exodus exchange to trade your funds. So I'm going to swap mine from Ethereum to DAI. And for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to exchange the minimum. And then click on to exchange. So that took about 5 minutes to exchange, but as you can see, I now have an active DAI balance. So I'm going to head back to the Compound Finance app and go to Start Earning. Then it states the amount of DAI that I have available to deposit. So I can type in the amount that I'd like to deposit, or I can simply click onto All. Now this is a really simple way of depositing your DAI into Compound Finance, and really ideal for someone just getting into crypto. But I'm going to click onto Deposit. Then as you can see, my funds are being added to my high interest account. So now that you've successfully lent your DAI to Compound Finance, you can watch your balance rising. So in here at the moment, it shows me my total funds earning interest in DAI. It shows me how much I'll receive after 6 months. And if I click onto the drop down here, it shows me that information after 1 week, 1 month, 6 months or a year. It then shows me my total profit in DAI and shows me my variable APY too. Or as I said earlier, you can withdraw at any time you wish. So if I click onto withdraw, in here, as you can see, it's really simple to do. All you need to do is type in the amount or click onto all, and then withdraw your funds, and they'll then appear within your Exodus wallet. So let's just take a look at history. And in here, it gives us an overview. So it shows me my APY, it tells me my funds in deposit, and my lifetime profit too. Then it provides me with some transaction IDs. So it gives me my activity, so whether or not that's a deposit or withdrawal. It tells me the date, the transaction ID, and the amount in DAI too. So that was a very brief overview how you can earn interest with DAI from right inside your Exodus wallet. Now, as I said, the interest rate here at this very moment in time isn't fantastic, but as these increase, this could be a really great way of earning interest on your crypto. But I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.